Hi! In front of me is HTC Desire 628, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find Tools folder and click on it. Now tap on voice recorder. Over here you need to click on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to end it and save it, click on the square button here. And then tap on this back button at the top left corner. As you can see, my recording is over here. You can always hold it and over here select rename. Then name it however you wish to and save it by tapping on save. If you wish to get rid of it though, you can also do that from here by holding it, but this time selecting delete option and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!